In this video, I will demonstrate the steps to disable birthday notifications on Facebook. To begin, open the Facebook application and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture. On your profile page, scroll down until you locate the About section. Click on the Edit button next to your birthday information. In the Edit Birthday section, you will see the privacy settings for your birthday. By default, maybe your birthday is set to public, which means that anyone on Facebook can see it. To disable birthday notifications, change the privacy setting to Only Me. This will ensure that your birthday is not visible to anyone else on Facebook, and you will no longer receive birthday notifications.